Organic liquid fertilizers made from certain fruit byproducts offer multiple benefits for plant growth and soil health. They are rich in essential nutrients like potassium, which promotes strong root development and vigorous flowering. Additionally, these fertilizers can improve soil structure, increase microbial activity, and enhance the overall fertility of the soil, making it more conducive for plant growth. To create this type of fertilizer, start by collecting peels from about 12 bananas. Cut these peels into small pieces to make them easier to blend. Once chopped, place the pieces in a blender, add some water, and blend until you get a smoothie-like consistency. This step helps break down the material so that its nutrients can be more readily available when applied to your plants. Next, pour the blended mixture into a 5-gallon bucket. You should add about 2 liters of this mixture to the bucket. Then, fill the bucket with approximately 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Chlorine in tap water can kill beneficial microbes, so using non-chlorinated water is crucial for maintaining the efficacy of your fertilizer. After adding the water, mix in about 3 liters of compost tea. Compost tea is an excellent source of nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. If you need guidance on how to make compost tea, we have a detailed video tutorial available on our channel. Stir all the ingredients together thoroughly. Cover the bucket with a breathable cloth to allow for air exchange while keeping pests out. Let this mixture sit for about 5 to 7 days. During this fermentation period, the nutrients from the ingredients will become more bioavailable and beneficial microorganisms will proliferate, enhancing the fertilizer's effectiveness. After 7 days, the fermentation process should be complete. Before using the fertilizer, it's important to dilute it. A good ratio is 1 part of the fertilizer mixture to 10 parts water. This dilution helps to ensure that the nutrient concentration is safe for your plants and prevents any potential nutrient burn. Using this organic liquid fertilizer provides several advantages for your garden. It is an environmentally friendly option, reducing waste by recycling kitchen scraps into valuable plant nutrients. Additionally, it supports sustainable gardening practices by minimizing the need for synthetic fertilizers, which can harm the environment. This fertilizer also promotes healthy plant growth, resulting in lush, vibrant plants with strong roots and abundant blooms. For more helpful gardening tips and tutorials, be sure to like, subscribe, and share our content with fellow gardening enthusiasts. By doing so, you help support our channel and ensure that we can continue to provide valuable information for all your gardening needs. Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing a free, super easy fertilizer recipe that will give your plants a big boost and help them grow faster and stronger. It's great for almost any plant in your garden or orchard. And the best part is, it's perfect to use right now at the beginning of the growing season. This fertilizer is something I make every year, and it all starts with fresh cow manure. You don't need anything fancy, just a container sized for how many plants you want to feed. The bigger the container, the more plants you can cover. To make our fertilizer, we'll need a few simple ingredients: a container, fresh cow manure, and water. The size of the container will depend on the amount of fertilizer you wish to make. Generally, you'll want to use 1/3 cow manure and fill the rest of the container with water. Cover the container loosely with a lid to allow air circulation and prevent odors. But here's the catch. Fresh cow manure isn't suitable for immediate use. It can contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be harmful to plants. That's why we need to let it undergo a process called composting or aging. This involves allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances break down and beneficial nutrients become more readily available. Now here's where patience comes into play. We'll let the mixture sit for about 7 days, allowing it to undergo the composting process. During this time, harmful substances like ammonia evaporate, and the beneficial nutrients become more concentrated and accessible to plants. This step is crucial for ensuring that our fertilizer is safe and effective for use in the garden. After the week-long waiting period, our fertilizer is ready to be applied to our plants. However, we don't want to use it at full strength, as it may be too potent and could potentially burn our plants. Instead, we'll dilute it with water, using a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This ensures that our plants receive a gentle yet nourishing dose of nutrients to support their growth and development. So why is this homemade fertilizer so beneficial for our vegetables and fruit plants? Well, it's all about providing them with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. From potassium and phosphorus to magnesium, our fertilizer delivers a well-rounded blend of nutrients that promotes healthy growth, improves fruit and flower production, and boosts overall crop yields. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you create a more productive and sustainable garden. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tutorials. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to share a secret recipe that will make your garden flourish like never before. We'll show you how to create a powerful mixture that boosts soil health and helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. This special blend will improve your soil's water holding capacity and nutrient retention, making your garden more resilient and fertile. Stick around to see how you can easily make this amazing mixture at home and give your plants the best start possible. Let's get started. We are going to make JADAM Liquid Fertilizer. JADAM Liquid Fertilizer is a type of organic fertilizer made by fermenting natural materials. It's a central component of JADAM, a South Korean natural farming method that emphasizes building healthy soil ecosystems. JADAM stands for Joyful Agriculture Through Microorganisms. This is our second recipe for this fertilizer. Check out our channel for more powerful fertilizers. To make this magical liquid fertilizer in a 5-gallon bucket, you'll need 3 main ingredients: 10 liters of non-chlorinated water. Ideally, you can use rainwater or get some from a river. However, if you only have access to tap water, allow it to rest for 24 hours to allow the chlorine to escape. 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, of fresh plant materials such as weeds or herbs, and 4.4 pounds, 2 kilogram, of fresh animal manure, which can be sourced from cows, horses, or poultry. It's important to gather these materials in sufficient quantities before starting the process. The process of making liquid fertilizer involves simple steps that prioritize natural decomposition and fermentation. Begin by placing these materials into the 5-gallon bucket and fill it with water, leaving some space at the top. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Cover the bucket loosely to allow air circulation and place it in a warm, sunny spot for fermentation. Stir the mixture daily to aid the fermentation process, which typically takes about 1 to 2 weeks. Fresh manure isn't suitable for immediate use. It can contain weed seeds, pests, and high levels of ammonia, which can be harmful to plants. That's why we need to let it undergo a process called composting or aging for 7 days minimum. This involves allowing the manure to decompose over time, during which harmful substances break down and beneficial nutrients become more readily available. We let our mixture sit for 14 days. Now, strain the liquid to remove solid particles, resulting in nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. After straining, dilute the liquid fertilizer with water at a ratio of 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water before using it on your plants. This diluted fertilizer can be applied directly to the soil around your plants or used as a foliar spray. Remember to test the diluted fertilizer on a small area of your plants before widespread application to ensure compatibility. Any leftover liquid fertilizer should be stored in sealed containers in a cool, dark place to preserve its efficacy. Proper storage ensures that the fertilizer remains viable for several months, allowing you to utilize it as needed throughout the growing season. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. You click the following button, then on the bell. And finally, confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.